Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can clone your voice using Elevenlabs in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your laptop, and here in the search bar, you need to search for elevenlabs.io. Now once you are on Elevenlabs, you will have to simply log in into your account. Once this step is done, your dashboard will look something like this. Now over here, in order to get access to the cloning feature, you need to just simply hover over to the left hand section and click on voice changer. Over here you will see two options. You can either drag and drop the audio or the video file over here, and Elevenlabs is gonna take a look at that and create a clone voice for you. Or what you can do is you can simply click on the record option and enable the microphone over here, and you can basically click on the start button in order to start speaking, and it is gonna basically going to take your audio here just like so. Once you are done speaking, you need to click on this option, and this is your audio that it has recorded. Now you need to click on the generate speech option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and wait for some time until it shows you the output. Here in the right hand section also you will see the try instant voice cloning option, so you need to simply click on that, and here you need to select the voice design. After selecting the voice design, you can either click on the generate voice option, or you can simply come back on the home page here and select the second option of the instant voice clone, which is going to take only 2 minutes, but the rest of the features are for the premium members only. So here if you click on this option and click on the generate video option, you need to just wait for some time until it gives you the output. So this is how you can basically clone your voice, and now you can use this voice in order to create text into the voices. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.